Nah,
No.
Ike now. Listen.
Yes, sir.
It was actually 100 tons being loaded and 100 tons being unloaded. But on the logbook, it is to be 50 tons loading and 50 tons unloading. So, 50 ton bakiche kon khatalo? Okay, so there was money transaction happening without showing it in the logbooks. So this money payment was not happening here. Money payment had to be taken abroad. So who was doing that? You required hawala.
Yes.
Samjalo?
Yes, sir.
And that entire hawala thing was being done by Chor Chil. Tu naam gala Chor Chil.
Okay.
Samjalo?
Okay.
Now, in 2013, UPA was still in the government, in power. The CBI team came to Goa. Now, CBI comes under the PMO, Prime Minister's office.
Yes.
There are many minister of states who are there under the Prime Minister.
Prime Minister.
So, CBI, as per the federal government structure in India, when the CBI has to come to a state, they have to take permission of the state government that we want to come for certain investigation. If state government permits, only they can enter, otherwise they cannot enter. So UPA government PMO's office wrote a letter to Parrikar saying our CBI team wants to come for an investigation related to the mining loot, illegal mining. Parrikar wrote back to give specific details whom they want to investigate. They in good faith said that they want to investigate Chor Chil. He could not deny the permission. So he said, come. When the CBI team said we are landing on so and so day, Muntu dor tu parva Wednesday yetao. What Parrikar did,
Put Churchill in behind the
he behind bars in Louis Berger case. 3 महीनों तक झेलिन दोल्लो and the CBI team for 3 months they waited in Goa to have access. And they said we cannot give you access because he is under interrogation for other case. Now, we went into 2014 and then after that Modi came to power and CBI team was called back. And that is why Churchill was crying out of gratefulness that the man who saved me. Samjalo? Okay? Akhya sagla goykarang pishan kadlya.
Kade no sir.
I will.
And what it is now, sir. See what it is now. See.